How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to an episode of Like Me Easy. Today I got an awesome video coming at you. Got an awesome surprise for you guys. A company called New Mobile sent me out one of their newest budget Android devices, which is really awesome. I've worked with them before and they're an awesome company. So if you guys are interested in budget Android phones, I should go check out New Mobile. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can go pick up some of their devices. And yeah, let's just hop into the box that they sent me. All the audio is being recorded through here, and I'm recording on my smartphone just because I don't have my webcam right now and I don't have everything figured out. So they sent me this package right here, a bunch of stuff in it, which is awesome. And I'm just going to show you guys what they sent me because some of it's really cool. So first, they just sent me a letter, as you can see here, New Mobile letter. I think it's going to be backwards, so you can't really read it. But so it's just talking about their new model called the New Mobile X6, their budget Android smartphone, $99.99 USD. You can pick it up at newmobile.com if you're interested, and I'm going to be doing a whole separate video on the actual device, unboxing, review, all that kind of stuff. Separate video. This is not that video. This is kind of like a promotional video for New Mobile since, I don't know, I just want to show you guys what they actually sent me, which is really cool. So you can call this an unboxing in itself, I guess. So it's releasing February 4th, so that's in the past, so you can pick it up right now. And every New Mobile X6 includes a SIM of 5 gigabytes per month, free for 3 months on Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is like kind of like your standard alternative to like Verizon, Sprint. Usually runs off one of the other carriers' towers. So you're getting like the same performance. X6 has Android 9.0 Pie, so it's really updated. And will be updated to 10 within the first quarter of the year, which is awesome. It's GSM unlocked, and you can't use it with Verizon. So sadly, I cannot use this phone because I own a Verizon phone. Or, I'm sorry. Yeah, I own a Verizon SIM card, so I cannot use it. So that's kind of disappointing. And then they sent me this, which is just the picture of the phone with some specs. I'll be going over this more in detail when I actually do the unboxing and full review. So moving right along, look at this. They send me a New Mobile canister, or like canteen water bottle, which is awesome, with their logo on it. Love the green. Obviously, Like Me Easy is a green logo, which is awesome. So yeah, shout outs to them for actually sending me this stuff because I didn't really expect it. I was just expecting them to send a phone like last time, but they went above and beyond, and I appreciate that. Moving right along, they sent me a nice lanyard, which is really cool with their New Mobile logo on it. So that's pretty sick as well. You can never go wrong with a lanyard. Move that out of the way. Also sent me their own custom pop socket. I don't know if you guys use pop sockets. I don't really use them, but maybe I'll give this to a friend or something because I know some of my friends use pop sockets, and they are pretty useful if you want to stand up your phone or just hold your phone without the fear of actually dropping it because it gives you that good grip. Moving right along, we have a New Mobile notebook. I can never go wrong with another notebook because I always like writing down my ideas when I have a new video idea or stuff like that. So this is awesome. And it comes with the little strap for you to like hook it up like that so it won't open. So I can definitely use this in the future for writing down ideas and whatnot. So shout out to them. Attention to detail always goes a long way. And then lastly, oh wait, no, we have one more thing before the phone. They also sent me a New Mobile custom pen, which is sick. I love pens. So brownie points to them. So here we have the New Mobile X6 thumbnail. Really awesome phone, budget Android phone, Android 9.0 Pie, 5.7-inch HD Plus display, 2.0 gigahertz quad-core CPU, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, and actually it has dual cameras actually, which is really cool. Plus a 0.3 megapixel camera on the back. Front-facing camera, 5 megapixels. You can use dual SIM, dual tray, and 3 gigabytes of RAM, which is pretty nice. I think that's like the same as much as little older iPhones, which is crazy. 32 gigabytes of ROM, so that's internal memory. And we have a 2800 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery. And this comes with a like transfer data cable, so you're saying that like I think it's micro USB. So sadly, no USB-C on this device, but power adapter, Comes with a case and a quick start guide. So New Mobile X6, New Mobile, awesome company. Highly recommend it. Guys, go check them out. I really support them. They're up and coming, and they're an awesome company because they went above and beyond sending me out this stuff. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video at all. They didn't pay me to do this. They just sent me this stuff out for free for me to take a look at. So as I said, newmobile.com right there. Autofocus. I don't know if that's going to autofocus, but whatever. Yeah, go check them out. I'll probably put a link in the description at newmobile.com. Awesome budget phones. And yeah, if you like Android, go check them out. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below what you think about New Mobile. And if you want me to do other future videos on future smartphones, you want me to do a buying guide on smartphones, I can do that as well. I'm big into smartphones, everything smartphones, iPhones, Androids, all that kind of good stuff. Go check out my previous videos, and I will be doing a review of this smartphone coming shortly in the future. So check out the Life Made Easy podcast as well. Going to be doing some new episodes over on there. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.